How to contact Google Support live chat. Need help with a Google product and want to talk to a real person? Here's how to reach Google Support through live chat. So, step one, open your browser and go to support.google.com and then sign in with your Google account for personalized support. Now, go ahead and choose a product you need help with, like Gmail, YouTube, Google Ads, or Workspace. Each has its own support page. So, for example, I need some help for my Google AdSense account. I'll simply click on this. Now, in here, scroll down and click on Contact Us or Need More Help, depending on the product. You'll see options like chat, email, or phone. So simply select contact us from here and then go ahead and describe the issue that you're currently dealing with. And then after that, Google's support will then give you some resources that can help you. But if those resources are not helpful for the situation that you're currently dealing with, you can go ahead and find the contact options that you have in here to contact Google Support live chat. So if chat is available, click on chat with us and a Google Support agent will connect you in real time. And that's it. Visit the Help Center, pick your product, and start a live chat. Remember, chat is usually available for Google Ads, Workspace, and store orders. And that is how you can basically contact Google Support live chat.